What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
It's a pleasure to connect with you today, GoodHearts and GodSents. In today's tutorial, we'll be creating a rotating circle text effect in Canva. This design features a person placed inside rotating circular text, also known as circular typography. Let's get started. On a design page, go to Apps and search for Typecraft. In the text box, type your desired text. For the font, choose Anton. Select a warp effect and choose curved arc text, then add it to your design. Duplicate the text and apply another warp effect. Inverted curve arc text, so the two texts form a complete circle. To create an embossed look, apply a text effect. Go to Effects and apply the glitch effect using these settings. Direction, -20. Offset, 7. Colors, light gray and white. This effect creates the embossed appearance. Copy the same style and apply it to the inverted text as well. Download the design as a PNG with a transparent background. Then upload it back into Canva. Next, add your photo and remove its background. Resize the image and duplicate it. Position the first copy at the back and the duplicate at the front. Crop the front photo upward to create depth. Slightly tilt the circular text and apply an animation. Choose Rotate Animation with the minimum speed rotating to the right. For the finishing touch, change the background using a watercolor element, specific name shown. And that's it, your rotating circle effect design is complete. Now, take a look at the final result. For more design inspirations, watch these. I hope they spark your creativity and inspire your next creation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and if you'd like to stay updated with our future tutorials, make sure to subscribe. This is Pinky GodSent BA, together with Simon Goodheart BA, thanking you for watching all the way through. Remember, sharing is caring. See you again in our next tutorial.